Hello everyone, welcome to my channel RaHaz tutorial. Today I am going to discuss the question answer of the chapter 16 Our Surroundings from the book Bumblebee 5. Let's start. Name the factors that determine the kind of houses people build. Answer: the kind of houses built by people depends on the climatic conditions, geographical features, availability of resources and the cost. Next question, differentiate between kacha and pakka houses. Kacha house built of mud, straw and wood. Pakka house built with bricks, cement and iron. Kacha houses are not strong and get destroyed by strong winds and heavy rain. Pakka houses are very strong and can withstand harsh weather conditions. Kacha house mostly found in villages. Pakka house mostly found in cities and towns. Why do houses in areas prone to floods have stilts? Answer: houses in areas prone to floods are built on stilts so that floods water doesn't enter the house. This also protects the house from snakes and other animals from getting into the house. Question number 4. What are some of the basic facilities that a neighborhood needs? Some of the basic facilities that a neighborhood needs are a market, a hospital, a park, a school, and a parking space for vehicles. Question number 5. How can we be good neighbors? Answer: we can be good neighbors by being understanding, helpful, kind and respectful towards our neighbors. We also need to be considerate and judicious in resources provided to us in our neighborhood. Extra questions. Why do houses in mountains and hilly areas have sloping roof? Answer: the houses in mountains and hilly areas have sloping roof because it allows the snow to slide off the roof, preventing the houses from becoming cold and damp. Why do Japanese make houses of bamboo and wood? Answer: Japanese make houses of bamboo and wood as these materials are light and do not cause severe injuries if they collapse during an earthquake. Students, I hope you found this video helpful. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a learning moment. Thank you.